from the perspective of our Constitution, it's very disappointing. What we've seen is very disappointing. And the reason for that is the people involved have done is to pretend to pretend that this is a court of law, no, yung mga tao, all of the people involved in the impeachment trial are pretending that this is a court of law, while at the same time also shamelessly acting in a political theater. So the combination of both has brought us into this mess. No? Specifically, a perversion of the impeachment process. No? The senators and the lawyers are acting as if this is a court of law when it is not, but at the same time performing to the peanut gallery. So those two realities have perverted the impeachment process, and therefore, from the perspective of our Constitution, it's very disappointing to see that it has come to that.